2003 Nissan Pathfinder with a V6. And this thing, we've been having problems with the back doors not opening. And we're gonna see if we can get it fixed, so stay tuned. All right, Finn? Okay, 2003 Nissan Pathfinder. It's my dad's. It's old, and this back door will not open up. So I'm gonna shoot some WD-40 in there. Supposedly this is supposed to help get it open. Right at the top. Ooh. There we go. That's what the hack said on mine. Oh, there, it's open. Piece of cake. So if you get jammed up with one of these, and I was inside kicking this thing and doing everything I could do, and here it was some WD-40 and some finagling. Hit the like and subscribe button.